Hey, it's an historic blizzard spring storm. It's Wednesday, April 13th, 2022 in Williston, North Dakota. Crazy. Winds are pretty steady, blowing hard, about 30 miles an hour. And you can see pretty massive drifts. Probably gotten about 10 to 15 inches. Last 12 hours. Supposed to get another 12 or so in the next 18 to 24 hours. Hoping to fly out tomorrow. But, woo! Pretty intense. Doug Baker and Grant Schaefer and I are camped out in the hotel, hunkered down. Let's see. Woo! Pretty intense storms. We're at the 4 Points Sheraton in Williston, North Dakota, trying to get out to the oil fields, but woo! I think we're gonna do a little barbecue tonight. I'm sure it'll be crowded. All right. Hope to get home to the low country tomorrow, but odds are against it. Probably not gonna get home until Good Friday on April 15th. Woo! Oh, it's pretty intense. Gotta go.